Hi, I am Satish Kumar. Welcome to the Moodle MOOC 10 week 5. This is my second video in week 5. So in this video, I'll demonstrate how to enroll the users in Moodle course. So I created the course Fundamentals of MATLAB Programming on moodleforteaching.org site. So for this course, I am going to demonstrate how to enroll the users. So under administration, course administration and site administration is the two. So click course administration, and here are some of the options. So click the users. So there is different from site administration and course administration. Since for this MATLAB programming course I am going to enroll the users, so click the course administration and then users. So once I click the users, here three options are showing: enrolled users, enrollment methods, groups and other users. So first option I am clicking enrolled users. Since this is the new course which I created last day, so there are no enrolled user, so I have to enroll first. So the first step to enroll the users, there are here on Moodle site some of the methods are there to enroll the users. So there are mainly two methods: manual enrollments and course enroll confirmation. So here is the detailed one: enrollment methods, manual enrollment and guest access, self enrollment, auto enrollment, course enroll confirmation. So first I am going to demo on manual enrollments. So this is the delete icon and disable. Since now it is enabled, the manual enrollments is enabled now, and enroll users and edit. So first I am clicking the edit. So we'll see whatever the options available under manual enrollments. So enable manual enrollments. Yes, I am choosing the option yes. So the default role. So here is the option question mark. If I need any help with enable manual enrollments, if I click that, it's going to the new page and a short description about enable manual enrollments. So this setting determines whether users can be enrolled manually via link in the course administration settings by a user with appropriate permissions such as a teacher. A short description is given, so wherever question mark indicates under this. So default role student and default enrollment duration. Since this is disabled at present, I am going to enable. So here are the options available: the enrollment duration in terms of weeks, days, hours, minutes, even in seconds also. So I am choosing the option weeks. So 2 weeks I am giving the option. Notify before enrollment expires. So both for enroller and enrolled user. So the notification threshold. So minimum days I am giving maybe 4 days or 2 days, any days, and then click save changes. So like this is the manual enrollments. So here is the option enroll users. So I am clicking this one, enroll users. So at present, since it is a new course, there are no enroll users. So I am going to enroll now. So here is the option to search for the user. So this is the my name and my email address. So I am enrolling for this course. As a, here is the role option is there. So choose the name, choose the user and add it. So select this user and assign the role. select this user and assign the role. So whether it is teacher or manager, so like that. Enrollment duration 14 days, so starting from today. So like that we can add enroll the users. So search the key letters and add it. So how to delete? You can delete enrolled users at any time. So select the user and click the remove option. So now it is removed from the enrolled users. So again I am doing, select the user and add it. So this is like this manual enrollments, and a few options also available, different enrollment methods. A guest access, so at present it is disabled. If you like to enable, here is the option you can enable. So I am just enabling and click edit. We'll see what is the inside guest access. So allow guest access. So if you like to allow the guest access, click yes, or if you don't allow, click no. So if you are allowing, give password, so that if you if you click password and enter the test, so if you give this password to the guest person, then is that guest person have access to this course, otherwise no access. So this is I'm not changing any default settings, so I cancel and disable. And one more option, self enrollment student, so it is already enabled. So I'll click the edit. What are the options available? So custom instance name, allow existing enrollments, yes. Allow new enrollments, yes. So enrollment key, this is the one. So I am generating one enrollment key. So once this enrollment key given to the users, then the users enrolls this course on their own. So here is the option. If I click this I, it will show what I entered, enrollment key. So use group enrollment keys. So no, the default assign rule as student only. The enrollment duration in earlier I gave 2 weeks. So the same I am giving here itself. And notify before enrollment expires for both enroller and enroll users. The threshold I gave 2 days. Start date and end date I am not modifying anything here. And custom welcome message. Hi. Something related. Since the user is enrolled for this course, so just sending the custom welcome message. Hi, welcome to MATLAB course, and then save changes. So this is how the self enrollment can do for the Moodle course. And here is the option auto enrollment. So it is disabled now. I am clicking enable and see what is inside. Edit, click edit, custom instance name. This is auto enrollment. So if you like to give auto enrollments, give yes or no. Enroll on course view or user login, course activity or resource view. So if you like to see what it is, click the question mark. It gives a short description, course view, Enroll a user upon course view. User login. Enroll users as soon as they log in. The course activity or resource view. Enroll user when one of the selected activities or resource is viewed. So whichever the option is you like to mention, you can choose the option. And here are the some of the activities or resources. So here is the option, you can click the activities or resources which is then available for auto enrollment users. Those activity and resources only available to the activity and auto enrollment users. And once the users auto enroll, this is the custom welcome message. Hi, welcome to the MATLAB programming course. Save changes. Course enroll confirmation. So this is the enable, already it's enabled. So I am clicking the edit option. Allow course enroll confirmation. I am choosing the yes. The default role is student. So the test area description. Show standard user profile fields on enrollment screen. I am choosing the yes. So send email notification to teachers. Show extra user profile fields on enrollment screen. I am choosing yes. So there is one more, few more methods. So here is the option add method and self enrollment, which is already is available here. Course enrollment confirmation, course meta link, Mnet remote enrollments. So there are few more methods to enroll the users. And if any groups are available for this course, so here is the option, click groups. So the MATLAB groups, you can add a creative group and import the groups. So for this course I am not creating any groups, so keep it as it is. So this is what this video, how to enroll the users into MATLAB course. Thank you for watching.